Hi, wanna make folders on the iPhone 16? Then press and hold any app on your home screen till it starts shaking like that. And now to create a folder, you will need to drag this app onto another one, and the folder is made now. So to add some apps here, just use the same technology, so press and hold this app and drag it in this folder like that. Now we can tap on it, and here we can rename it with something else, and we can also use emojis here. So to save the changes, it is enough to just tap on any free space on the screen like that. And if you would like to move this folder to the next page, you just need to hold it and drag it onto another page like that and leave it here. Or you can choose any other position on the screen with the new iOS 18. So to save it, you just need to tap this done button, and here is how it will look. If you want to remove apps from the folder and delete the folder, you will need to press and hold it once more till it starts shaking, like that. And now you just need to take out apps from this folder, just like this. Drag it onto the home page using the same technology. And we just had one app left, so let's remove it too. Just like this. And now the folder is gone. You can also remove them from the second page and drag it onto the first one and save the changes using this down button. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.